In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your Shopify theme. Keeping your theme updated helps improve your store's performance, security, compatibility, and access to the latest features. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard using your store credentials. Once you're inside Shopify, look at the left side menu and click on Online Store. Then select Themes. On the Themes page, you'll see your current live theme along with any available updates. If an update is available, Shopify may display a notification or an update button next to the theme. Before updating, it's always a smart idea to duplicate your current theme as a backup. To do this, click the three dots or Actions button next to your theme and select Duplicate. Now return to the original theme and click Update if the option is available. If you downloaded a newer theme version manually, click Add Theme or Upload zip file and upload the updated theme package from your computer. After the new theme is uploaded, Shopify will process the files and add the updated version to your theme library. Next, click Customize to review the updated theme and make sure everything looks correct, including your home page, product pages, menus, and branding. You should also test your store on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure all sections and features are functioning properly. Once you're satisfied with the updated theme, click Publish to make it live on your Shopify store. Updating your Shopify theme regularly helps keep your online store modern, fast, and secure while improving the overall customer experience. And that's it! You've successfully updated your Shopify theme. Thanks for watching.